Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Mitsubishi Mirage G4 automatic. First, always confirm your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Next, insert your key completely into the ignition. Then, firmly press the brake pedal with your right foot. This sequence ensures the car is ready to begin its journey safely and smoothly. It's a simple process, but following these initial steps correctly is crucial for a reliable start every time. Once you've completed the initial steps, it's time to engage the engine. Turn the key clockwise to the start position. You'll feel a slight resistance, and the engine will begin to crank. Hold the key in this position for just a moment, typically 1 or 2 seconds, until you hear the engine fully engage and run smoothly. As soon as the engine starts, release the key, allowing it to spring back to the on position. This prevents damage to the starter motor. After the engine has successfully started, take a moment for a few quick checks. Observe your dashboard. All warning lights should illuminate briefly and then turn off, indicating systems are functioning correctly. Next, ensure your gear selector is in the correct position, whether that's drive or reverse, before you begin moving. It's also good practice to allow the engine a few seconds, perhaps 10 to 15 seconds, for the oil to circulate throughout the system, especially in colder conditions, before driving off. For those with the convenient push-button start system, the process is slightly different. First, make sure your smart key is securely inside the vehicle. Then, just like with a traditional key, firmly press the brake pedal. With your foot on the brake, simply push the engine start/stop button once. The engine will then crank and start. To turn off the engine, ensure the vehicle is in park and press the button again. It's a seamless and modern way to begin your drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.